Alright, here we go. Had to take the dead out of this tree. Big limb broke off. There's another one over there. That's about as far as I can reach it. My fucking pole saw is all the way over there. I left it over there and I fucking need it. Maybe I can reach it and get the rest of it from there. Clean a couple things off the end here. Just took the nub off of there. A couple small things there to clean up. And all in all, I think we're doing pretty freaking swell. Beautiful day. Out here, hanging out on a little limb. Nice breeze. I guess about 50 foot. That telephone pole is probably 40. And about 50 feet up. Gotta do that over the garage. Bunch of shit. Got all that stuff over there to do. That green, I'm just gonna clean it up. The neighbor wants to keep the shade. I say cut it all off, but who am I? Oh, I'm roped in over there, if you can see my rope, and I redirected it right here, and then I am actually retied in underneath me with the rope wrench. So this is it. Gotta clean this whole fucking tree up. Big dead thing over there. I have no idea what time it is. Yeah, nice healthy tree. Keep it nice and healthy. It'll probably grow another 20-30 feet by the time I come back next and clean it up. Yeah, got that oak over there to do. The dead thing. A whole bunch of bullshit over there. Slowly working my way around the yard. I got all those trees done. That oak underneath me right there has got squirrels, which ain't a problem. In that hollow crevice. They came out of there somewhere, I've seen them. And both of those trees have hornets, about 20 feet up in them. So I'm recommending cut those fuckers down. So, alright, let me get busy. Have a good day.